tanky as well. Tip of a greenbrier. The rest of the plant has spikes on it, but it is edible. Welcome to this episode of the Woodshire Project, Garden Melon Trellis. Are you ready for this? The epic growing season. This is our little friend here, wood sorrel. So the wood sorrel is a welcome wild herb. It's quite tangy. It's got a lemony punch to it. I assume you can't eat too much of it. It contains oxalic acid. But definitely good on salads. What you're going to find are these little yellow buds. That's tangy as well. It's pretty good. The trellis is up. Russ came over. I think, Russ, how tall are you? 7'8"? About that? Yeah. It's looking good. He did a great job. There's not a lot of zip ties on there. They hold 75 pounds a piece. So what we'll do is we'll just put a few more zip ties on there and secure it. Find out where we're going to put that one. I got a major problem. See this? It's going to cut and break. And you sure about that? Yeah. It's going to work. So I'm not from the south. He knows it. What he did was he cut the neck off and he sticks it over the top here. And that's like a cushion, right? We can take the tarp and put over the top of this. You knock it off. What do you think? Yeah, happy goat. Thank you to Russ. Bubba now has a shelter. We just brought down some hay for him. We'll get that set up in there. What is that in the distance? Epic gardening melon trellis. It is not complete. We do have some work to do on it. Let's go check that out. Got our peppers mulched over. When I came out here from yesterday they were nice and wet on top. Today, about a ½ inch of the top was bone dry. You have to mulch if you're doing grow bags. There's just no way around it. Going to reduce all the water evaporation coming from the top of the grow bags. Pot number 1 has our Madhu Ras honey melons from India. These are a heat-loving variety, poor soil nutrients, yada yada, etc. Here we have some leaves crushed up, put down, a little bit of mulching with pine shavings thrown in on top. Pot number 2, we have our Minnesota midgets, 75-day variety. We'll see about that. Pot number 3 is the orange flesh honeydew, 75 to 110 days. Pot number 4 is the honey rock. That's going to be 80 days. Pot number 5, Haogan melons, 95 day. Pot number 6 is the Prescott Fawn Blanc melons, 95 day. Pot number 7 is the Tendril Verde Tardif melon, approximately 120 days. I'm not kidding when we say you need to mulch this stuff over. If you're not mulching, your pots are going to dry out. We still got to get the drip system in here. Pot number 8 is the Chironellus melon, 90 day. Pot number 9, we have our banana melon, 85 day. Pot number 10, Hearts of Gold cantaloupe, 90 day. Pot number 11 is our green fleshed honeydew, 90 day. last but not least, striking in at number 12 is going to be our Pale de Sapo melons 110 day. Here's a fantastic view of the next project we've been working on. Eric stopped by and I'm picking the soil out of the new grow area. This is just to show you what's inside of our ground. And I got the compostables over there. You guys want to meet Eric for the first time. Oh, you thought I was going to let you guys see who Eric was. Next video, folks. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching the Wickeshire Project. We'll catch you on the next one.